Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a outer rear door handle on a 2000 Toyota Camry. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, helps me out a lot. Okay, first thing we got to do is take out some screws, and to do that we need to take out some plugs. So there is a plug right here with a screw behind it here that needs to be taken out. There's a plug right here that needs to be taken out, screw behind there that needs to be taken out, and a plug right here that needs to be taken out, screw behind there needs to be taken out. A magnetized screwdriver or a telescoping magnet will help you pull these screws out. Alright, getting this trim piece off is a real pain in the butt, but basically what you have to do is pry it out right here, and these little holes have ears up here that stick into it, and that'll pop out, and then you can pull it back like that. Alright, now you need to take the door panel off. So what you're going to do is stick a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver or a knife or something in here, and just kind of pop this out, and it'll pop out. Real quick, I forgot to mention that there's a little clip right here that you should push that clip in and pop it out to get the door panel off. Okay, once you've got it popped out all the way around, it'll look kind of like that. And then you're going to need to pop this plastic piece off right here. Same way, just pop it off. And then you can lift this door handle up and it'll come right off. There's a wire that's hooked up right underneath here. You can either just let this door panel hang here, or you can unclip it and plug it back in later when you put it back together. Alright, now you're going to need to pull this plastic here. You're going to have to pull it back, pull it off. Alright, now you're going to pop these off. Basically, you just lift them up, and these will pop and spin, and you can pull these rods out. Do it for that one and this one. Now you need to pop this little plastic cover off. Stick a screwdriver or something in here and pry it out. Alright, now you need a Torx bit. Take out these 3 screws right here. Alright, now you need to take out this 10mm bolt right here. Alright, now what you're going to do, stick your hand back here, and it's going to be kind of hard to see, but basically you're going to grab this lock mechanism and you need to kind of push it so that you can get it to go down this way. And what that's going to do is allow you to see through here to get to a bolt here and a bolt right here. Alright, I've moved it out of the way. You can see that 10mm bolt needs to come out, and that 10mm bolt needs to come out right there, and then your door handle can come out. Alright, yeah, as you can see, basically just kind of pull like this and it falls down like that. There you go, and you're ready to put your new one in. I'm going to have some links down below to some Amazon stuff. If you want like a new door handle or stuff on Amazon, you can go through those links, and I make a little bit off from that, and it helps me out with the channel. When you're sticking these back in, thing to remember is that this needs to go into that door handle or the door lock, and this is what actually opens your lock mechanism. So let's start putting it back together. Alright, so we've got our 2 bolts holding our door handle back in, and what you're going to do is work your lock mechanism back into place. Alright, so this piece right here on your handle needs to slide into that, onto that piece right there, right above my fingertip. There's a little rod sticking out right there, and you're going to push that up and slide it into the door handle right there. Alright, so we've got 1 screw back in here to hold it in place, but I just want to show you what's going on. Make sure this right here and this come back into their spots like they are right there. And then you can test the door handle to make sure you got it in. Take a screwdriver or something, lock the lock like that, and then pull up on the door handle, and it should pop right back up like that. So at this point, it's just putting everything back together the way that you took it apart. If this video is helpful, Smash that thumbs up button, comment, like. It all helps. Subscribe if you want. Make sure to check out those Amazon links in the description below. And I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good one, guys.